You know those desserts where you eat the entire batch and then feel kind of but you know you have no regrets because they were so incredibly delicious? That's these strawberry lemon blondies. The real kicker is actually how easy they are to make. You only need one bowl, so grab a big one. Between your fingers, press together the zest of 2 lemons and 1 cup sugar. Add in 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk, add in 2 eggs, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 stick of melted butter. Mix it real well, and then let me be clear, fold in a cup of chopped fresh strawberries. In a lined baking pan, spread out your batter, bake at 350 for about 25 minutes until it's golden brown on the outside. You're going to extract some strawberry juice just by mashing it and putting it with a strainer, and then combine it with powdered sugar, pour over the top of your cooled blondies. Let it set, and that's it. The texture is like substantial but melt in your mouth. Delicious. Trust me, these are a game changer. Save this for later and follow for more recipes.